Oftentimes when I was feeling a little uninspired with my wardrobe or I wanted to elevate my style, my answer was shopping, adding something new to my wardrobe. That's why today's video, I wanted to share with you some tips that have really helped me to elevate my style without shopping. My goal was to find contentment with what I already had and also curb any bad shopping habits. I think that it's important to practice contentment even in small areas of your life because that attitude is going to overflow in other areas, which is kind of the goal when it comes to practicing contentment with my wardrobe. So let's get started with the tips. Tip number 1 is to find inspiration with what you already own. We have so much inspiration at our disposal. The problem is this inspiration often becomes a catalyst for shopping. Instead of looking at something and going, how can I recreate that with what I already own? We often ask, what's the link? I want to buy it. So you have to change your mindset to the way you look at inspiration. You can also be a little bit more deliberate when you're looking at fashion and styling inspiration. For example, I like to search specifically for different things. So if I want to know how to style a black dress, I'll look that up on Pinterest, like black dress outfits. Or if I want to know how to style my white leg jeans, I'll look up white leg jeans outfits. So now I'm getting inspiration for pieces that I do own. I also have a board on Pinterest called My Closet. It's full of looks with pieces that I can create right now with items in my closet. I love this board. It not only reminds me that I can do so much with what I already have, but also when I am feeling a little uninspired with my wardrobe, I can go to this board and I have all these outfits to work with. So I definitely recommend doing this as well, but also just asking yourself when you see an outfit that you really like, okay, how can I recreate that with what I already have, instead of trying to figure out how you can go out and purchase it. Tip number 2 is to clear the clutter. This actually helped me the most, cleaning my closet and keeping it organized. It made me excited to get dressed in the morning, to pick out outfits. It's kind of the way a store or a website is designed, very nice and inviting to get you to shop. You want to be able to invite yourself to shop your closet, so to speak. So you don't want everything to be all over the place. You want it to be nice and neat and just inviting to go through your pieces, to pick out outfits. I remember I helped a friend pick out an outfit for her first day at her new job, and she was like, wow, I didn't even know I had that stuff, like when I put her outfit together. And it made me realize that maybe the problem isn't that you have nothing to wear, but more of everything you do have to wear is not organized. So organize your closet. It will definitely help you with decision fatigue. It'll really give you a better idea of what you own and also help you to visualize outfits and make the most of what you already own. Take time to plan and style. Play a little dress up, go through your closet, try on different things, style outfits. I really think that this is important. This just happened to me a few days ago. I was trying to plan an outfit for an event and I spent like 30 minutes just scrolling on Pinterest and Instagram for some inspiration. And it wasn't until I stood in front of my closet, looked through stuff, tried stuff on, styled stuff myself, did I find an outfit that I really liked. So this is really important because it really just allows you to have fun with what you already own. You'll be surprised the different outfits that you can come up with when you are not too busy trying to recreate something you've already seen. And then also this is good because you know when you have an idea in your head, but it's different when you actually translate that into reality. You're able to do that when you spend time doing this, and you can document your outfit. So it can be as simple as like snapping a picture in the mirror, or it can be making collages like with an app called Open Wardrobe, just saving those outfits again with pieces that you already own. Get familiar with styling hacks. There are a lot of Instagram accounts out there that share styling hacks that I think are so helpful, like how to wear a white t-shirt, how to wear a dress different ways, what necklines work with different necklaces and earrings. These are awesome, and I feel like this source of inspiration is a lot more productive because it teaches you to work with what you already have and just style the pieces you own in different or new ways. I'm going to link in the description bar some of my favorite accounts that I like to follow, and also here on YouTube I like to post modest fashion hacks. The next tip is to challenge yourself. Challenges spark creativity, and I've learned this a lot when I did capsule wardrobes in the past. I would do a lot of seasonal capsule wardrobes and the like 10 by 10 capsule wardrobes where you wear 10 items for 10 days. And what this did for me was really spark my creativity. I found out new ways to wear the pieces that I have, and sometimes it's that challenge that actually makes you think outside the box, and it helps you realize that you can do so much with so little. So I definitely recommend trying like a week-long capsule wardrobe challenge. What's nice about this is it isn't a long commitment. It's like a week or even just a few days, but it really can spark your creativity and help you improve your personal style. I hope that this video was helpful. These tips have really helped me personally and finding contentment in my wardrobe, and also just practicing more of a low buy, especially as we enter the new year. Let me know if there's any tips that you like to use to elevate your style without having to go shopping, and feel free to subscribe for more fashion content. I can't wait to see you all in the next one. Bye!